Discovered by an Indian mathematician named Dr. Kaprekar, it reveals that nearly every four-digit number eventually collapses into the same result, 6174. To see this work, grab a pen, a piece of scratch paper, and a calculator so you can follow along right now. This process shows that even a random starting point is restricted by the mechanics of the algorithm. First, pick any four-digit number you want and write it at the top of your paper. There is only one rule for this. Your number cannot be made up of four identical digits. If you pick something like 2222, subtracting it from itself immediately gives you 0 and the process stops before it even starts. Take the four digits you chose and reorder them from highest to lowest. So 1234 becomes 4321, building the maximum possible number. Next, reverse those same digits from lowest to highest, writing that minimum number directly underneath. By placing the absolute highest arrangement on top of the absolute lowest, you're setting up the maximum possible numeric tension required for the algorithm. Go ahead and subtract that smaller bottom number from the larger top number. In our 1234 example, 4321 minus 1234 gives us a result of 3087. Take whatever answer you just got and run it through the exact same steps. Sort those new digits from highest to lowest, then lowest to highest, and subtract. Take a look at the instructions here. If your subtraction ever results in a three-digit answer, you must add a leading 0. For example, a result of 999 is treated as 0999. Sorted, your maximum becomes 9990, and your minimum is 0099. Padding your result with a 0 maintains the structural integrity of the four-digit rule, ensuring the loop doesn't break. Keep looping your new answers back through the sorting and subtracting process. No matter what valid four digits you started with, you will hit a dead end within a maximum of 7 rounds. Every calculation pulls you toward a mathematical singularity, 6174. Here is the trap. Sorting 6174 high to low gives 7641. Low to high is 1467. Subtract them, and the result is exactly 6174 again, locking you into an infinite loop. In the entire universe of numbers, 6174 is the only four-digit integer that behaves this way under these specific rules. It doesn't matter if you started with a birth year, a PIN code, or a random string of numbers. These diverse starting points all converge at exactly the same place. Now that you know the routine, try running the exact same steps using a three-digit number. As you can see in the steps for numbers like 317 or 123, you won't land on 6174 this time. Instead, the subtraction pulls you into a different constant, 495. Our number system is full of these predictable results that appear when we follow specific routines. Try this on a few more numbers, and leave a comment with how many steps it took your choice to reach 6174.